Hi, I'm Mike Simmons from A World of Wings. I've been a professional bird trainer for the last 12 years. I'm today here talking about the Liberta parrot cage range. Hi, I'm Mike Simmons and this is Helly. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Good girl. We're standing by the Discovery by Liberta. This cage here fits conveniently into the corner of a room, that being one of its main features. However, other features include a cage top stand, allowing your bird to exit the cage for daily exercise and playtime. Another feature is a top to bottom door, making it not only easy for cleaning, but also for putting the parrot back into its cage and for the parrot to get back out of the cage. And this door is fastened shut by two lockable bolts. On the side of the cage, one either side, is a food and water bowl on a swing feeder, making it easy for cleaning out daily water and food. And these bowls are locked in place by a locking nut. Going right to the bottom of the cage is a pull-out tray, and also the cage is on casters so that you can move it around for again cleaning and convenience. So this cage, being designed for a medium-sized parrot, is a well-designed cage for a conventional and day-to-day household. Helly, can you say bye?
Bye.